basics in education and learning. That's me.
Hi, what's up guys? Today it's me, Puppies here, and today we are gonna be playing Baldi Basics 2 Part 2. Now I made this video on like October 11, I think, but I do not know. But in each day. But yeah, let's get started. Stop cutting the grass.
Oh, hi. Welcome.
Okay. Now stop cutting the grass.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
I do not
Answer
know
the
this.
three
I do not know
questions
this.
correctly.
So 0. I do not know it. Okay. 2 and 5. No. -1. I do not know the questions of it, so I do not know what to tell. And he's gonna. Oh my gosh. Now it's 4. And we all know it's 12. No! I think I meant 11 or 13. I think it was 11. Now Baldi's gonna move fast. Oh my god, Baldi's right there. There's arts and crafts. He appears everywhere in here. But I don't see the bully. I thought the bully was gonna be here. No, I cannot. No! Oh my gosh, I closed the door. 3. I think it's 5. No! I think it was 4. It was 4. Dang it. Oh no. Now I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god, Principal. I saw Principal, but I don't know what he's doing. Principal, I am not running. No. I literally don't have a choice. I had to get the bee soda. No, I literally didn't have a choice. I almost got the bee soda.
These basics in... Oh, hi. Welcome to my
Let's try this again.
schoolhouse.
Come on, stop cutting the grass.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly.
I do not know. 8. I don't know. 9. I do not know. Okay. 8. What's going on?
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
I know, Baldi. 0. And 6. And 0. I get angrier for every problem you get wrong. Just nobody cares. Where's Baldi? I don't hear his slaps. But yeah, like I don't hear it. So I'm just gonna sorry about that. now I hear Baldi slaps. I'm running.
No running in the halls.
Are you kidding me, bro? Principal, stop!
15 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
I don't want to know better. Okay? Oh my God, principal. Are you serious? I gotta go around. I can't go that way. I'm gonna have to go around. I can't. I try to go around, but I tried. I had to go that way because Baldi. I know Baldi's gonna get his ass
Basics
off.
in education.
So yeah.
Oh, hi.
Come on, would you please stop cutting the grass? I know that's. I'm just
Now
talking
time
about
for everybody's
2.
good one. Problem 2. 7.
12. No. Now I got one wrong. I think it was 13. I do not know. What the? Yo.
You need to collect 2 notebooks
Yo, what?
before you can use these.
I think I just saw a principal. Why are all these? 2. No! I thought it was 2. I literally thought it was 2. Why wasn't it 2? Are you serious right now? 8. Nope. Are you serious right now?
Play with someone.
Playtime, get out of here!
1, 2,
I don't want to play with you right now.
4,
Because you're messing up way too much out of my turn.
3.
I did not know Baldi was right there. But friend I was other way.
Education
I
and
can't go that way.
Oh,
Like,
hi.
geez.
Welcome to my school. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the
I think I'm not. As you know, I'm not. What was that? Eleven. No, it was 12. 9. 0. Is Baldi that way?
No
Wax
running
is.
in the halls.
Are you kidding me? Principal, are you?
15 seconds. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Didn't hear about nothing. I cannot let Baldi kick. I cannot let Baldi. Nothing in here. My game is lagging. Playtime. I don't want to play with you right now. You messed up way too many of my turns. Oh, come on, man. Just stop. And I think, yeah, Baldi was fast.
The Baldi. Oh, hi. Welcome to
I
my
just see a Baldi ball. That's why his name is Baldi.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
I like the song.
3 questions correctly.
7.
I can't believe it. You're incredible.
I do not know what's the answers of. No. I do not know it. I try to think of it, but I don't know. Okay? Oh, crap. Yo, Baldi is that way. I have to go the other way. 0. 3. Ah! I thought it was 5. It was 4. Are you serious right now? Yo, Baldi scared me. That's playtime. Can't you get out of here? Could you? Playtime. Stop! Playtime. Can you just stop? I wanted to run because Baldi is fast. I wanted to put in the detention
Welcome to Baldi.
because Baldi is way too fast. I do not like that. It won't let me get stamina that.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
Okay, I definitely do not know this one, so
Correctly,
just gonna
and
pretend.
You might get something.
I'm just gonna pretend I do not know it, okay? So I'm just gonna put 11. And I'm just gonna put 3. Easy question. Listen, I don't care about the slaps going weird. Stop! Like cheese. 4 and 0. I get angry if you have a problem with your wrong. Just nobody cares. Playtime. Can you stop? Yo. Playtime. If you don't stop following me around.
Let's play again.
Stop following me. When we get to the notebooks. Yo. Get out of here. Are you serious? No. Baldi's right there. I do not have time to get the notebooks because Baldi is really about to get me fast. So I have to get that notebook over there. No, Baldi's literally scaring me. Get out of here, Playtime. I was literally following her on accident. You Playtime literally has to play again with someone. Again. Just why? Why? I hear every door open. No, I hear every door open. 3 out of 7. Crap, Baldi's there. I do not want to get put in.
I see.
Oh my god, Playtime! Stop!
1, 2, 3. You messed up.
Playtime! Can you stop? Baldi's really about to get me. Guys, I'm literally not having it with Playtime right now.
Basics in
Because
education
Playtime
and
is literally making me mad. Like Baldi, like Playtime does not know the way to leave me alone.
Great job.
Wait, I got it right? I thought it was not right.
Problem 3. 2 plus 6 equals. Great job.
It was
right.
8. Oh, okay.
You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
A shiny corner. Blah, 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 blah.
Problem 1.
Hold on.
7 minus 8 equals.
I do not know what this is. I hear every door you open. At least I have a shiny quarter though. I just saw the greeny thing. That means Baldi's coming. You know what's in this blue door, right? You know what's in this blue door? It's the sweeping. Okay. This book. Is Baldi gonna... Yo, I did not know Baldi... I was about to show you the sweep room. First of all, please, like, I'm not running. Yo, Baldi is literally about to kill me right now. I don't have time to get the notebooks because Baldi's gonna get me fast. Okay? So, I had to spray the B soda. But if the principal sees me do that, he's gonna put me in detention. Baldi's going... Yo, Baldi's literally like going faster. I can't let Baldi... Listen, I didn't have a choice because Baldi is only about to kill me. Listen, I didn't have a choice.
I see you.
Bruh, can you leave? First boys, leave me alone. I need to shoot Baldi. No! Are you serious?
Welcome to Baldi's basement.
I always get mad at this game.
Hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
Seven.
Great job. That's right. Problem 2. 5.
Seven.
What?
No! I think it was 8. Yeah, I think it was 8. Stop! What's those weird slaps? Yo. I do not know this one, so I'm just gonna... Whoa, Baldi. Yo, I did not know Baldi was right there. Principal is literally don't know where I am. I hear Playtime's song, but I don't know where she's. Oh my God, Baldi's right there. And I don't have time to get those notebooks because I know Baldi's gonna get me fast. No, I'm far away from Baldi. That's just great. That's fantastic. Come in. No, it was 6. It was 6.
No running in the hall.
Are you kidding me, bro?
15 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
I don't want to know better. You should know better. TJ looking ahead. Are you kidding? Yo, Baldi's literally right there. You're gonna mess me up. Yo, get out of here.
Let's play again. Sometime soon.
Yo. Okay, I don't have time for this. Because Baldi's gonna get me fast. Okay? Where's my... Five, I think. No! I think it was 6. That is bad. 10. No! Every time.
No running in the hall.
Are you sick? What?
30 seconds. Detention for you. Your parents.
Baldi's gonna go fast. And they hear about nothing. No! And then you know what? Yo, Baldi was way too fast.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
No, 0. I thought it was 0. Just. Like. Oh my God, Baldi's. I didn't have a choice. Like, come on, bruh. Now I know why I do not want to, like. Yo, Baldi's all the way farther. He ain't gonna get me. Ah, loser. Yo, Baldi is right there, and I do not want to die. Yeah, I don't have time for to get that Netflix. Nah, I don't have time to get that notebook. Are you serious? I wasted my time. On the accident. Seriously right now?
Welcome to... Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Actually, I'm gonna go to this door.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3. Great job. That's right. Problem 2.
9. I had to deal with it. 5. Dude, this is ridiculous. Excuse me. -6. Dang it. I forgot to put the thingy. Oh my God. Yo, Baldi is literally on the way to leave me alone. Like, I only got like 20 playtime. Can you get away? Gosh. Like, are you serious? I think I just saw a principal, but I don't know where did he go. Yo, I have to go around. I can't go that way. Because Baldi is literally... Now I have to go this way. Now I have to go this way. And now! Well, apparently he did not like that.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
I can only do one more try. That's it.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite
Like, I can
subject,
only do one more
math.
try. That's it. No! It was 3. Dang it. I wanted my shiny corner. 1. I was right to get the number 1. Yo, what the? Yo. Ten. Wait. No. 10. Now. Oh my God. I can only do one try. That's it. But now I am gonna make a part 2 or part 3 of this. Yeah, I exactly don't know where Baldi is. Six? Are you seriously kidding me, bro? Is Baldi gonna move fast now? Where's Baldi? I do not know, Baldi. Just come on. Yeah. Just 7 and 5. No. I forgot there was a minus on there because it was 5. I mean, it was 4. I don't know if Baldi's going like 100,000 speed. Which one is? Which one's gonna win?
I have lost you. I don't like that.
Are we gonna beat the game or not? Cause this is great. Oh my god, dude, why? Come on, bruh. Just why? Just why? Mouse. Are you seriously kidding me, bruh? I literally don't have a choice. Oh my, are you serious? I'm literally locked in with this bully over here. Looking like a Skittle. All you have to do is give him my quarter. But I have to... You know what?
I'll
Fine.
take that.
Fine.
It's mine now.
I didn't have a choice. Yo. Thanks for life. Now I have more time. But boy is literally to be told. Yeah. Now I. Oh my god. Yo, Baldi's right there. I don't. Are you seriously kidding me, bro? What? Yo, hey, what? What the freak? What the? Yo, what the heck just happened? The sweep. Yo, the sweep is crazy. You know, I need to say 6 minutes to cut 3 times jump, bro. But she's literally... I'm literally about to find you, and you're literally gonna get it. You're literally gonna get it, okay? Oh my god, now Baldi's fast. No! Are you seriously kidding me, bruh? Come on, bruh.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
I only said to do one more try, but I will make a part 3 of this. So, thanks for watching.